Dan of Vagabond Awake.
And
we're in Ángeles in the Philippines.
In the old town area.
Yeah.
It's a very beautiful old town, and we can see a beautiful church.
Yeah.
It's not about the bar or drink. It's a beautiful downtown here.
Yeah, it's very nice. It's this is the oldest part. Over here you have a church built in 1877. You can see the Ángeles sign here. Then there's a city museum right next door here. And then there's another museum right down the street.
Yeah,
so
right down the street.
It's a fun morning or afternoon. That's the city library over there. Ángeles City, of course. Or Ángeles as they say here. And there's the church, built in 1877. The Holy Rosary Parish, it's called. This was built in 1877 when Spain was in charge of it. It was a colony. You can see it's being refurbished right now. The Spanish Crown passed a law during the colonial period that all Filipino men between ages 16 and I think 65 had to spend 40 days per year working for free for the Spanish colony, and this is one of the work projects they built. Very beautiful.
It's very nice here in Ángeles City. It's when we coming from our places, we living in near to the walking street. We take a grab car to come here. I like to see all the old architecture, the building here. It's very nice.
Yeah.
And when you're inside the church, you can feel it. Right now they are under renovation, but you can feel that time, that's how the church will be built.
Yeah.
And you know, the moment of the time. And yeah, so let's go to our next destination.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We're going to check out the city library here, or museum here.
The Ángeles City Museum have picture, video, and story about the first family that broke ground and start building the city. The pictures and description tell the story from the beginning all the way to modern times. It is rich and interesting story spanning several centuries, including Spanish colonial time, the Spanish-American War, the Japanese occupation in World War II, the Filipino independence, the American presence in Clark Air Force Base and Subic Bay, and the eruption of the volcano that caused the American to leave before the Filipino exit deadline.
This is the museum right across from the church, and it's the city museum where all the history of the city is downstairs. This part of it's called a culinary museum here. It's what kitchens were like in the Philippines at the turn of the century, 1900 or so. So this is the Pamintuan Mansion in Ángeles City. This was built in 1890 during the Spanish colonial period. It was a gift to Florentino Pamintuan from his parents. He later became the mayor of Ángeles during the American colonial period. Later this became headquarters for Filipinos when they fought for their independence from the US during the Philippines-American War. And it was later headquarters for General MacArthur in the 1930s. And then it was controlled by Japan during World War II. And it was an administrative building for the US until about 1949. And in 1910, it became a national museum of culture for the Philippines. Let's go inside and see what it looks like. Wow, it's a gorgeous mansion. Obviously a wealthy family that built this for their son for her wedding present. Oh, I love how they've restored it so nicely. Really. This is all original. It's restored. It's a cultural museum now, so it has like textiles and living styles, art from the Philippines. This wooden spiral staircase, that's just amazing. It's probably teak wood, practically free back then. There was so much of it growing around Asia. Now, of course, it's quite expensive. I love how they furnished this all with period pieces. Very nice, yeah. Spectacular place. And for it to have been ground zero for so many different political and war headquarters, it just really brings out the significance of this work of art. So when you're here at the mansion and you want to go to the public market, San Nicolas Public Market, you just flag down one of these green jeepneys. They're almost free. So this is the entrance to the public market. It's the best market in this area, Ángeles, and it has the best prices, the biggest selection. It has fruits and vegetables, clothes, meat, everything. It's all here. So
Yes, let's go.
let's go in there.
I like to visit the public markets because I can buy a better price of my vegetable and eat the local food. Local food is the best in the public market. And I found this one is have a lot of people eating over there. I'm sure the foods will be very delicious.
How is it?
It was really good.
It's really good?
We have a grandmother feeling.
Thank you.
It's a very big market here. We have a lot of the small alley.
We found a kilo of brown rice for $50 per kilo. Funny, the white rice is cheaper. It's just surprising because they have to process the brown rice to make it white. Must just be a demand thing. There's not much demand for brown rice.
This can eat or need to cook?
Cool.
Oh, need to cook.
Those are the long beans. They're like, we call them green beans in the U.S. This is a squash. Makes a nice soup. The long bean is 20 per bundle. Who knows what they weigh?
50 per kilo.
That's banana bread.
25 pesos.
So it's 20. 50 cents for that big garlic or ginseng.
It's very clean market here. You can see the floor, the way they're packing their food, and the chickens. It's very clean.
These little bundles of onion are 20 pesos each. Bamboo, 30 pesos.
Your pabukal, your jameng chicken. Your pabukal lang. Pulo. Lana?
30 pesos for the bamboo.
Wow! I want to show you the coconut that we got today.
It's just a coconut.
Yeah. Oh! Wow! Let me have it. Let's see.
It's delicious.
Mmm. Very nice.
You can drink the coconut and eat the bottle it came in.
Yeah.
This is the natural.
Yeah. They make it like
Container.
this. Yes. It's easy and good. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button and comment because it really does help. Have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening time or whatever time it is for you. Take care. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.